Alrighty. You'll wear out a couple new pickups finding a Massey 175 in this nicer shape. This was a single owner tractor. I bought it from the farmer who bought it new. When I was a boy, my dad had a 165, and when I saw it, it was so straight, everything so nice, I thought I had to have it. We brought it home. We had Classic Antiques in Lititz, Pennsylvania, restore it. I said I didn't want any expense spared. We even put a Massey Ferguson seat on it. Brand new tires. Paint is immaculate. No issues whatsoever. Everything works. Brand new muffler. Beautiful, beautiful tractor. If you're a collector looking for something to take to a show, you're never going to find a nicer one. Hour meter is set at 0. It looks just like it came off the factory back in the 1970s.